In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable minimized and maximize Windows animation in Windows 11. Go ahead to the search menu, type in sysisdm.cpl, and the first result, just go ahead, click on Open, as you can see now. And right now, this window will pop up. Just go ahead, click on Advanced, as you can see. And after you click on Advanced, just go ahead to the Performance Settings. Click on Settings. And after you click on Settings, just go ahead to the second tab, which is Animate Windows when minimizing and maximizing. If you want to disable it, go ahead, disable it. And that will stop the minimize and maximize animation. As you can see, we can try it now. And if you want to go back to it, just click on that again, click Apply, click on OK. And as you can see, the animation is working. And this was a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you for watching.